The entire cryptocurrency market capitalization just recently surpassed $2 trillion. Ethereum is registering new all-time gains, and the Bitcoin kimchi premium is back. This is from a post by the blockcrypto.com. The headline reads, Bitcoin's kimchi premium slips as South Korean officials pledge action on illegal crypto market activities. What is going on with Ripple? XRP to $589? Want to know more about cryptocurrencies, XRP, Ethereum, and many more? Stick around for more information. Hello and welcome back. This is Make Money Online. In today's video, I'm going to be looking into why some people think that the price of XRP is going to go to $589. Don't forget, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, don't hesitate to drop off a message in the comment section, and we'll do our best to get to them. Also, I'm going to be leaving a special link as always for you guys to sign up on Binance and get a lifetime discount of 5% on trading fees. As always, smash a like on this video, subscribe to the channel to stream our videos every day. We post at the same time on a daily basis. And make sure you turn on post notifications so you'd always get updates whenever we upload a new video. Before we get into our usual XRP stuff, as the total crypto market continues to soar higher, let's quickly have a look at some of the trending events happening around popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, among others. According to this article, the South Korean government has sworn to focus more of its attention on illegal activities related to cryptocurrencies and its market. This new resolution was decided upon after a gathering held between the members of the South Korean Financial Services Commission, the Ministry of Finance, the Ministry of Justice, and many other regulatory agencies within the country. This meeting took place on Wednesday, April 7th in a bid to discuss virtual asset trading. In their announcement after the commencement of the meeting, the authorities wrote, "We will strictly crack down on illegal activities related to transactions such as market price manipulation, money laundering, and tax evasion using virtual assets through cooperation with the police, prosecution, and financial authorities." Looking at the Ethereum dollar chart right now, you can see that Ethereum is really looking great at the moment, as we're currently trailing 2 months of bullish consolidation. At this point, the resistance is almost negligible, and Ethereum is now heading for a new all-time high, superseding its present record high at $2,150. Looking at the Fibonacci levels from the charts, we have $2,500 as the next target and $3,250 if the bulls can continue to move ahead. So far, our deductions from the chart are mainly bullish signals. We have low volume, which means that anything is still possible until this new move starts to take form. We're likely to rise even higher. So what's going on with Ripple? Is there anything to explain its recent price hike? That's exactly what we're going to cover for you guys in this video. Ripple right now is doing pretty good. It got up as high as 30% to the price of $1.31 over the last 24 hours, and an excess of 106% increase on the 7-day chart. I know XRP and Ripple seem synonymous with each other, but they're in actuality two separate entities. So allow me to clarify real quick. We have the XRP ledger, which is the distributed network that utilizes the XRP token. And then you have a for-profit company called Ripple that owns 50% of the XRPs in circulation. Now, according to Wikipedia, Ripple was conceived by Jed McCaleb and built by Arthur Brito and David Schwartz, who then approached Ryan Fugger and then debuted in 2005 as a financial service to provide secure payment options to members of an online community via a global network. Fugger had developed a system called OpenCoin, which would transform into Ripple. David Schwartz is now a main figure with the XRP ledger. Along with McCaleb and Chris Larson, they transformed Ripple into this huge powerhouse. As at the time of recording, they had hundreds of banks signed up, and they also have financial institutions like MoneyGram signed up on their platform as well. Keep in mind that not every institution or bank signed up to RippleNet currently utilizes XRP's current technology, and that is the one that actually utilizes XRP. Basically, what XRP is trying to do is to supply a bridge currency functionality to act as a bridge between all the central banks, essentially replacing the world-leading provider of financial services called SWIFT. Most recently, there have been a lot of lawsuits against Ripple. There have always been class action lawsuits against Ripple, which is why I had taken the time to give the difference between these two, because they are closely intertwined. Obviously, people didn't like the fact that Ripple, as a company, was given all of these XRP tokens, and how Brad and Chris Larson and all of these guys sold a ton of XRP. Even amid the SEC lawsuit, XRP is experiencing exponential gains. XRP is pumping so much, and as we speak, the XRP price is closing in on the largest weekly gains since December of 2017. We can observe a pennant pattern on the 12-hour chart has already reached the calculated move target of $1.30. Notably, XRP's price rally has cleared many technical obstacles, including but not limited to the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement during the 2-year span bear market, the mentally envisaged $1 mark. Currently, it's testing the 38.2% retracement of the aforementioned bear market. Some short-term exhaustion is expected. In all, this digital asset token is set to continue this impressive rally to greater heights than expected. XRP's price is winning in both the legal and business development waters, starting the week with an excess of 100% gains as Ripple is gaining legal ground in the Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit. With this, we're looking forward to an early settlement of the Ripple versus SEC case in the nearest future. XRP has traveled quite a distance in barely a short time frame compared to its peers. For this reason, speculators should be on the lookout for key support areas because weakness is nigh. The high of the intraday pennant pattern at $1.12 should serve as an important support, probably the first milestone to start with, followed by the critical $1, as a weekly close below $1 will distort the bullish trend and raise the odds that a medium-term high has been registered. As Ripple expands into international waters, just as the ongoing legal battle with the SEC unfolds, and as we gain more clarity into what is actually happening with the case, new doors will continue to open to the upside for XRP's price. In the meantime, investors and speculators should be more focused on the 38.2% retracement level of the 2018 to 2020 bear market, at $1.33 as the resistance level. It could become an obstacle considering that the daily relative strength index is beginning to show a bearish momentum divergence with today's rally. All resistance levels between the current price and the 2018 high are just speed bumps along the path to an even newer all-time high. The breakout from the rounded bottom this week targets a rally to $5.60 over the long term, which represents a 610% gain from the resistance line drawn on the chart and substantially higher than the all-time high at $3.30. The massive gains garnered over the past week by XRP has successfully raised the bar for this digital payment processing token out of the difficult resistance between 60 cents and 80 cents and the psychological $1 mark. After being denied access to the financial records of Ripple executives, the SEC are slowly losing their grip on the case against Ripple Labs. Ideally, the pennant pattern should take a couple more days, but the fact that Ripple is winning more ground on the SEC case, in addition to a continuous international growth outside the United States, may be enough to restart the rally immediately. Imagine if every bank and every non-bank institution, especially MoneyGram, that are signed up to the Ripple network, utilizes that service where it needs to use XRP to facilitate transactions. Well, then you'd have the answer right there. If Bitcoin could do it, despite the ridicule from critics back in the day, most of whom are now ardent crypto enthusiasts, if Ethereum could get above $500, then why do you think an above $500 price or even $1,000 price for Ripple is not possible? Here we are at the end of today's video. If you enjoyed what you watched, please consider leaving a like on this video, maybe sharing it with your friends, and of course, hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And while you're here, check out some of our previous videos. See you next time.
Hollywood Carson.